Now look at this question. Show that every Hermitian matrix A can be expressed uniquely as P plus iota Q, where P and Q are real symmetric and real skew symmetric matrix respectively. Means P is real symmetric and Q is real skew symmetric. We have to express A as P plus iota Q, so that the first matrix is real and symmetric and second matrix Q is real and skew symmetric. And in this case it is a different question in which A is given to be Hermitian. A is already Hermitian matrix. So these are the given things that we will use to prove the result. Right? Now what will be the solution? First of all, A theta is A because of the given condition. Now consider A as A plus A bar upon 2 plus iota A minus A bar upon 2. Because if you add these two, like in the previous question we have seen that we get here it must be 2 iota. So we have already seen that the sum of these will become A. Right? Now we will consider this as our P matrix and this as our Q matrix. So this is P plus iota Q. Right? Where P is, what is P? P is A plus A bar upon 2. So we have to prove the first matrix to be real and symmetric and the second matrix real and skew symmetric. These are the things that we have to prove for P and Q. So what is a real matrix? For real matrix, what we have to prove? A bar is equal to A. अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स लिए प्रूव करना है तो इसे रियल है. So this is the way you can write P here, because in this question we have to prove it for P. So for real matrix we have to prove P bar is equal to P, and for Q also, because Q should also be real, because P and Q are real symmetric and real skew symmetric. And for symmetric matrix, P dash is equal to P, the transpose of P, if it is equal to P it is symmetric. And for skew symmetric, Q should be skew symmetric, so Q dash will be minus Q. These are the things that we are going to prove here. So first of all P is this. Now we apply P bar, that means A plus A bar upon 2 conjugate of 2 is same, the conjugate of A, conjugate will be separated on two matrices A bar. So this will be 1 by 2 A bar plus A, because A twice conjugate means simple A. So this is nothing but P. So what we get? P bar is equal to P, means P is real. Right? Now same way, now we check for symmetric. So P dash, this is very important part. Please be careful while doing this part. Now we have to take transpose. Transpose does not affect the number, so it is added as it is, because transpose is the operation for matrices only, not for the numbers. So it will be A dash plus A bar dash. Right? So now these two operations are known as theta, conjugate operation, transpose, and conjugate A theta. And what is A theta? A theta is A, given, it is given in the question, it is a Hermitian matrix. So we get A here in place of A theta. Now what is the main step? Main step is for this, because A theta is A, so A can also be written as A theta. So I write A theta in place of A and this sign of transpose as it is on A. Right? You can put the bracket also. So now what is A theta? A theta means transpose and conjugate. Right? This is the value of A theta and this sign of transpose as it is plus A upon 2 as it is. Now twice transpose means we get A conjugate only, because these two transpose sign will cancel with each other. We get only A conjugate plus A upon 2, and this is what the value of P. So what we get, P dash is equal to P. From here we start P dash, we take the transpose go inside on both the matrices. This will become conjugate operation, means A theta is A, so we kept it as it is. Now for the second matrix, that is A transpose, in A transpose we change A is A theta and keeping the transpose sign as it is. A theta is A conjugate transpose. Now we get two transpose sign which will cancel with each other, and the sign of conjugate only left, so that matrix is P, so P dash is equal to P. That means P is symmetric. Now from this and this, we combine these two results. P is real, P is symmetric, so we can say, which implies P is real symmetric matrix. Right? Now same thing we need to check for Q. Now for Q, first of all we check the whether this is a real matrix or not. So matrix is real if its conjugate is equal to itself. So the value of Q, we know here it is written, this is Q. So this is A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota. When we apply conjugate, it will be A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota will become minus 2 iota. Now this is after taking inside the sign of conjugate, we will A conjugate, A double conjugate upon minus 2 iota. It will be A conjugate minus A upon minus 2 iota. Adjusting this minus sign with the numerator, it will be A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota, which is the value of our Q. A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota is Q. So this is Q. What we get, that Q conjugate is Q, means Q is real. Right? Now next thing we have to prove, Q is skew symmetric. For that we have to take the transpose of Q, which is A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota, that is the value of Q dash. So dash means transpose go inside the bracket, A transpose as it is, this become A theta. A theta is nothing but A, because A is given Hermitian, right, upon 2 iota. Now the important things again come to play, that we have to put the value of A as A theta. So this is A theta and keeping the transpose sign as it is. A theta means A conjugate transpose, and again one transpose more, minus 2 iota upon 2 iota. Now this is twice the sign of transpose, means it will be A conjugate minus A upon 2 iota. The transpose cancel with transpose, you can say A conjugate is left. Now again what we will see, that this value of Q dash is negative that of the value of Q. So we take minus sign common from here, or in the next line we write, this is our Q dash, which is equal to minus of A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota, that is minus Q. It means Q dash is equal to minus Q, means Q is skew symmetric. Right? Again quickly revise the topic what we have done, that A is given Hermitian, and this is we have to write so that the sum becomes A. So just we need to manipulate the things to get A. Now this is our P and this is Q, and we express A as P plus Q. Now we have to prove that these two matrices P and Q are real. P is symmetric whereas Q is skew symmetric. So for real we have to prove is P conjugate is equal to P, Q conjugate is equal to Q for real matrices. For symmetric, P transpose equal to P, and for skew symmetric, Q transpose is equal to minus Q. These are the things that we have proven right now. The other thing we need to prove is uniqueness. And now for uniqueness, that A is equal to R plus iota S, where R is real, symmetric, and S is real, skew symmetric. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to prove uniqueness, means this is not another expression, it is same as P plus Q. So for this, what we need, we have to take conjugate on both sides. Apply conjugate, it will be R conjugate minus iota S conjugate, because conjugate of iota is minus iota. Now R is a real matrix. R is real means it is R matrix, and S is also real, so it is S. Right? This is A conjugate. What we get is A conjugate. Now A is R plus iota S. Now we add these two. We get A plus A conjugate as 2R, which means R is equal to A plus A conjugate upon 2, which is nothing but the value of P. And similarly, if we subtract these two, which implies S is equal to A minus A conjugate upon 2 iota, which is the value of Q. So we get R is equal to P and S is equal to Q. That means we don't get the different expression for A as P plus iota Q. So both these are same. So A is equal to R plus iota S means it is P plus iota Q only. That means it is the same representation. Therefore, what we see is A can be uniquely expressed as P plus iota Q, where P is real symmetric and Q is real skew symmetric, and which proves our result. For the other part, now A is P plus iota Q that we have deduced, and A theta will be P plus iota Q theta, and when theta will go inside, it will change iota to minus iota, and P theta will be, because theta means conjugate and transpose, and on Q also conjugate and transpose. Now P is a real matrix and Q is also real. You can write it here. P conjugate is equal to P and Q conjugate is equal to Q, because both are real. Right? For real matrices, this is true. Now P is symmetric, so P dash is equal to P and iota dash will be minus iota. Now we will write P dash is equal to P because P is symmetric, and Q dash is equal to minus Q because Q is skew symmetric. This is given, so it will be removed because Q dash is minus Q, that will make this sign plus. So this is A theta. Now what is A theta into a, because we have to take a theta into a real. So what is this? This is p plus iota q, the value of a theta, and value of a is again p plus iota q. Now we multiply these two, it will be p into p, p square, p into q is iota pq. Now the next term iota qp minus q square, because iota q into iota q, iota square means minus 1. This will be the term. Now the terms that are in the real part are these, and in the imaginary part are these. Now because as given a theta into a is real, what is a real number? When its imaginary part is 0, which implies pq plus qp is 0, and it means pq is equal to minus qp, right? Now here you can see when I multiply, I maintain the order. P into q is pq and q into p is qp, not pq, because when we multiply matrices, the product is not commutative. A into b is not equal to b into a, so we cannot write it equal कि pq is equal to qp, right? So this is a complete proof.